Friends, welcome ulit sa panibago na namang video, no? So in today's video nga, explain ko sa inyo yung tatlong klase ng health insurance dito sa Pilipinas, no? So ito nga yung HMO natin, yung PhilHealth natin, and yung mga non-HMO health plans na typically binibenta ng mga life insurance companies, no? So they come into play before and after you pay the hospital bill. Alright? So yung sa before muna tayo na part, no? Dito ngayon papasok yung HMO and PhilHealth, okay? Dahil they cover specific medical services and meron ding specific diseases or procedures, okay? Or ano pa ba? Yung mga ganun ba? Tapos kung affiliated yung hospital na na-confine ka or yung clinic na na-confine ka, okay? And even yung doktor na nag-treat sa'yo, yung hospital na yung magde-deduct ng benefit, alright? So what that means is, pag tiningnan mo yung hospital bill mo, okay? Makikita mo doon na diniduct na ng HMO yung whatever benefit you're entitled, okay? Tapos yun, kung may remaining balance, right? Yun na lang babayaran mo, okay? So at this point, I want to stress, no, na you pay the remaining balance, no, kasi alam naman natin na if di natin nababayaran tong or yung hospital, no, lumalaki yung utang, and that's not really a good thing, right? Sensya na, sucking on a lozenge. So doon naman tayo sa mga friends, non-HMO na health plans na binibenta nga ng mga life insurance providers, mga friends, no. So itong mga klase ng health insurance na to, ito, they typically work by reimbursing you, no? So like I said kanina, dapat mo na bayaran yung hospital bill, alright? Tapos pag nabayaran mo na yun, you can make a claim, okay? Tapos provide them the requirements, okay? Yung mga iba-ibang required documents depending sa case mo, alright? Tapos yun, they can reimburse you. Alright? Isang napakalaking benefit talaga ng mga non-HMO health plans, mga friends, is yung yung hundreds of thousands and millions of pesos na coverage for life-threatening diseases and accidents, mga friends, no? Kasi alam naman natin how those expensive those can get, right? Alam na natin na mahal ma-cancer, ma-diabetes, ma-stroke, ma-heart attack, mga gano'n. Mahal din yung pagpa-hospital kung nasagasaan ka and parang halos mamatay-matay ka na ba, right? So yun yung kumbaga main advantage talaga ng mga non-HMO health plans. Kasi typical sa mga HMO health plans na parang sagad na talaga yung 1 million in coverage. Alright, mga friends? Ano ba? So yun yung tatlong klase ng health insurance nga dito sa Pilipinas, no? So summarize natin yung HMO and PhilHealth, okay? I-cover yung specific medical services rendered to you before mo pa yung bayaran yung hospital bill, okay? So assuming na affiliated hospital, sila na yung magde-deduct ng benefit for you. Tapos yung non-HMO naman, okay? So after mong bayaran yung remaining balance, you can make a claim to them, okay, na of course, assuming na cover yung case, pwede ka ma-reimburse, no? So yun mga friends, I hope may na-learn kayo, okay? As always, like, comment, follow or subscribe for more videos like this, and if gusto nyo mag-set ng appointment, simply send me a message, no? DM me, okay? Let me know anong hinahanap nyo, and we'll work from there. So always mga friends ulit, thank you for watching and see you on the next one.